Hey guys, I'm on the R523 west of Thohoyandou and I'm here to show you something special. The first thing I would like for you to know about this place is that it's a brand new establishment. As you can see, the plants and flowers are still growing. However, this place is a natural garden and the air is so fresh here. The fresh air and the view will make you want to stay longer than you should. Whether you just want a good time with your partner, or maybe you're soul searching and you just want a quiet place to think, this is the place. I've arrived at the special place I was talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm in Tshivhase Nature Reserve. And I'm here to show you their luxurious self-catering chalets. There's a total of 10 chalets, and all of them have a nice view of the dam. 5 A's and 5 B's. The A's are simply referred to as luxury chalets, and the B's are called the executive chalets. Besides the fact that you have the lake view, the chalets are also facing west, so you can see the sunset from your patio. Now let's go see the inside and the view. Welcome to the executive chalet. This is the kitchen, which is combined with the living room area. So you can cook and watch TV at the same time. And this kitchen have everything you need for all your self-catering needs. This is the bedroom for the executive chalet. It has a spacious wardrobe, a queen bed, and it's air conditioned. And there's also a huge bathtub in the middle of the room. The bathtub and the way it's positioned is actually my favorite feature in here. Imagine taking a bubble bath, looking over a beautiful lake and the mountains beyond it. Now this is the bathroom. It has a simple and neat design and it's very spacious. And finally we have the view. Just look at this. This is where you'll probably spend most of your time. And there's actually wall sockets, so you don't have to worry about your electronics running out of power. You can charge them while sitting on the patio with the view. And this is a shared middle area here where you can have your braai and chill with the neighbors. Now it's time to check out the luxury chalet. Just like the executive chalet, there's a nice big patio and outdoor furniture. The view is still amazing. The main difference here is that there is no bathtub in the bedroom, but you have a love seat, so that should still count as something. That's the bathroom. And there's also a queen bed. Same as the other chalet, the kitchen is sharing space with the living room, so you can watch TV or watch your partner cook with the view. I also love this decoration. The air conditioner blows some cold air, but I don't really think you need air conditioning here. Maybe you might need it in a cold winter night to warm yourself. Now you tell me what you think about this place in the comments. I'm shooting in reverse here because I don't want to face away from the view. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification. So these are self-catering chalets, but what if I don't want to cook? If you don't like cooking, you don't have to worry, because room service is also available here. And food is not the only thing you can order to your room. You can also order a massage and beauty services like express facial, eyelashes, and Brazilian wax. Imagine getting a full body massage with a view. From your chalet, you can also take a nice walk down to the dam. There's also a pool area which is closer to the entrance, where you can go and take a swim if you want. And for people who really like to do outdoor stuff, you can take a guided hike of up to 12 kilometers. There's also quite a few tourist attractions near this place, namely Chachingo potholes, Mukumbani Waterfall, Phiphidi Waterfall, Tshirovha Waterfall, Tshivhase Tea Estate, and Thathe Vondo Viewpoint. The location of this place and booking information is in description. Thank you for watching.